brownies with a friend.
Hi, I'm not from this class.
I'm going to be going through the ingredients. First, we'll need 2 cups of flour. Oh, someone's calling me. Sing 2 cups of flour. It's okay, I'll just call them back later.
2 teaspoons of soda, 2 teaspoons of butter, sugar, brown sugar, salt, vanilla, egg, and chocolate powder.
Sing! What are you doing? What's that?
You said cauliflower.
Cauliflower? That's broccoli! I think they meant this flour.
Right.
I'll just put this.
Put it in.
Yeah.
We need 2
We need 2 cups, yeah. Is that enough? Okay.
I think so.
Okay. Yeah, just put that in.
That's snowy.
It's our first time baking together. It's gonna be so fun. Next, we need 2 teaspoons of baking soda.
Oh, soda.
Whoa! I think you need to use this. Okay, yeah. Oh! Yeah, that's fine, I think. 1 cup of white sugar and 2 cups of brown sugar. Okay. Whoa, I think you need to use this. Blech. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, and another one. Okay. 2 eggs. Peppermint eggs.
There you go.
Thank you. So let's just put them in. 2 sticks of butter. And chocolate powder. Yay! It's gonna taste amazing. How much should I put it? Oh! A little bit more.
I think that's enough.
And now we mix it all together. Oh, I think I have a technique. Yummy! It's gonna taste amazing.
So magic.
This butter is hard. Oh, this smells amazing. I can hear the eggshells cracking. You know what we forgot? We forgot to wash our hands. Never mind. We need to preheat the oven.
I'll go do that.
So I'll just continue smashing it while Sing is preheating the oven. Since it's our first time baking together, I think so far it was really good. And I'm pretty sure this brownie is gonna taste amazing. Like, just look at it. Yummy. Just look at this spoonful of heaven. Yummy. Looks
Yeah,
great, right?
It looks fantastic.
If only you could see it from our view.
It's good. You can try.
You tried it?
Yeah, I did.
It's good.
It's good. It's good.
Okay. So, Sing, she went to get the tray. You know, the one where you put the batter in it. This is almost done. It's really good. It's so smooth, it falls right off the spoon. So now we're gonna bake it for 10 minutes. It looks so good. Ding! So this is the final result. Delicious. Now we can go back to the table. Now we'll try it. Oh, you can see the calcium. The smell! I cannot imagine eating this.
No.
I need water. Wait, Sing, can I ask you a question? Didn't you say we didn't have brownie mix?
Yeah, that's. Oops.
I'm curious, what is the liquid? No, I'm not gonna eat it. So this is a close-up of the brownie.
Yeah.
Do not try this at home. You're gonna get food poisoning.